Follow these steps to restore photos from iCloud and recover deleted photos. Let's get in. First, launch your settings. Now at the very top, you're going to find a username. Click on that. Now navigate to the option iCloud. If you have backed up your device, things will get easier for you. Click on the option See All. Make sure you have enabled for the option Sync this iPhone. Likewise, click on the option iCloud Backup. Make sure you have enabled for all these options. Once you have checked that you have backed up your device, now you can launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to the website iCloud.com. Click on Sign In. Provide your Apple ID's credentials, email address, and the password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Scroll down and head over to the section Photos. Click on that. Now on this page, you're gonna find all the photos and videos that you have deleted from your device, but it has been stored in your iCloud. Now from here, you can easily recover it. You'll need to click on the picture or the video. Then click on this three dots given at the top right and select the option of download. So this is how you can restore photos from iCloud and recover deleted photos. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.